Hi guys, so here's my recipe for the bitter orange chicken. As you can see, I'm using bitter orange marinade and red cooking wine. So I pour it over the chicken, as you can see. I did sprinkle garlic powder on the chicken cutlets before the liquids. Then I let it sit for 30 minutes to marinate. Then here we go. Just put it in the air fryer. I recorded everything so you will see step by step, but I'll tell you anyway. I did not preheat. This was my first time making chicken cutlets. I set it at 400 for 15 minutes. Hey, who knows? I did check it in at the 9-minute mark, and they were not even browned, as you can see from the video. So I let it run its course. I think I took it out, as we will see, at the 1-minute mark, possibly. Let's see. Actually, 2-minute mark. And they were pretty good. I was happy with that. Now, what I did realize, although I did not preheat it, the air fryer is hot because I just cooked in it. So then the remaining chicken got a little more golden, as you will see in each video. This was a liquid marinade, so I made sure that it was, drained a bit. I did not pat dry, of course, because then I'd be taking off the marinade. But these came out really, really great. I was really, really impressed. They actually tasted like grilled chicken and not even fried. So that was even better. See, so this one I let it go all the way. I did not have to flip them, actually. They got cooked on both sides just perfectly. But as you can see, these were more golden. Okay. Now the next batch, I believe I put in for 13 minutes. If I would have done the 15, they would have burnt. So take that into consideration too, that even if you don't preheat, if you're making 3 batches of something because it doesn't fit, the oven is already hot. The air fryer, listen to me, oven, okay? So you can lower your time, or temperature, I suppose. I chose the time. Then what did I do with my marinade? I simmered it on the stove. I did add a little bit of cayenne, a little bit of flour to thicken it just a little bit. And then it was still missing something, so I added up 1 little garlic clove. And that made it perfect. Perfect little sauce to pour over. And there you have it, guys. My chicken cutlets, bitter orange. Thank you for watching.